Hey, we just touched down in Santorini.
Yeah!
All right. Yo, it's 3:30 in the morning. We've been traveling since 5.
Shoot,
You tired, bro?
Okay.
How much sleep have you had tonight?
Bro, I didn't get any
Zero
sleep at all.
sleep.
I don't need sleep, bro.
We don't
Get
need
out
sleep
here,
because
bro.
we're in Santorini.
Get out here.
We're excited. Let's get it, boys.
Go sleep once daily.
You tired?
No.
We already got some Santorini views. How you guys feeling?
Hit me with your goddamn suitcase.
Hey, chill. You tired, bro? Chill, bro. Chill. Oh, we having a good time out here. We got Rebecca and Emily joining us. Yo, we got quads. This is crazy. Look at this view. Look where we're at.
How could it be wrong when it feels right? We're just going with the flow. And people always try to live your life.
Where are we now? Oh my gosh.
Just trying to get mine. We're just having fun. We're just having fun.
It's like 50 degrees out here at the Red Beach. That ain't stopping me, Rebecca. Yeah, it's cold. It's a little cold. We got Alex coming in. Honestly, whoa, it got deep. It got no biggie. It's not cold. It's not cold. Yeah, Aaron. Oh my God. Hey, there's rocks. Look how deep. What the hell just happened? What the? It's deep. It's deep.
There's nothing to lose. High and I won't come down. Blurry visions and bad decisions. But who will remember this now? And how could it be wrong when it feels right? We're just going with the flow. And people always try to live your
We're living the life on a boat in Santorini. Yeah, sunset cruise. Aaron, how you feeling, bro?
just trying to get mine. And I am the one who decides what is wrong or right. We're just having fun.
My boy Aaron's always grinding, even in Santorini. Look at that. Work it out to a view. Okay. How we doing?
Getting that authentic Santorini food tonight.
Someone eating like kings. Someone loves it.
How's that look?
Black Beach.
Black Beach, you ain't know.
And we're off. Our trip to Santorini. It's over.
It was dope, bro.
It was dope. Any final words?
A lot of memories, bro.
Yeah, a lot of memories,
A lot
bro.
of memories.
Too many memories.
Too many.
It was lit.
Get Aaron, bro.
It's just any final words, Aaron? How was the trip? Any final words?
It was great.
Flight mode. All right. Oh, it's just a video. All right, we're out. Great trip.
Yeah.